What's up? This is Emily Wilkins. I am here at the Advanced Manufacturing Expo in the Marketing Model Creator space with two wonderful young first, what do you call yourselves? First competitors?
FIRST Robotics team member?
FIRST Robotics team. And you're from Grand Rapids, right? So what school do you go to?
We both go to Rockford, but if you're willing to drive, then you can join that one too.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we're community-based. We go all the way from Howard City down to like the south of Grand Rapids. We'll take anyone really. We're community-based.
Okay, cool. You don't go to Rockford High School?
No, we go to Rockford High
Okay.
School.
You
They
just
don't have a
will.
robotics
They
team.
don't have their own robotics team. Got it. Cool. And you're exhibiting here today, right? You have a booth. What's that been like?
It's been pretty fun, I guess. But we can show off our robot, talk to like potential sponsors and stuff. So
Very cool.
pretty cool.
How long have you been doing FIRST Robotics?
I've been doing it for 4 years.
Okay.
I've been doing it for 5 years. I joined in 7th grade.
Seventh grade?
7th grade.
Cool. Did you guys do the competition at Grand Valley last spring?
Like Grand Valley. What was the name of that competition? I'm not sure.
It was like a Star Wars theme.
No.
No? Okay. I judged that competition. It was the only one that I've been to. It was really cool, though. I'm just really inspired by the whole program and the way you guys are, it's like collaboration over competition kind of thing. It's competition, but also you can help out your opponents, right? And you kind of switch opponents sometimes.
FIRST puts a lot of value on something they call gracious professionalism.
Yeah.
Where it's like you want to be professional and it's a competition, but also your opponents are also your friends. You're
Yeah.
not like against them, right? You
Right.
help each other out. And yeah, it's been for a long time always 6 people on the field, but your teammates and opponents will swap around all the time. One match you might be with them, next match you're against them.
Right. Yeah, because it's like it's always two teams, or not teams, there's like 2 different groups competing against each other on the field, right? And then there's multiple teams in each group. That's how it works, right? Yeah.
2 teams of 3.
Yeah. What do you think that the real world can learn from FIRST Robotics?
Probably collaboration, I guess. Like people can help each other out. So like companies can do stuff for other companies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. We need a lot more of that in the world.
Yeah, definitely there's a lot of technical skills that you can learn. On our team, we used industry standards for our design and building, but a big part of it is learning how to be professional and teamwork, working as a group. It's an issue that's in any manufacturing place, knowing how to work with other people properly.
Yeah.
So it's a big skill that can be learned through FIRST.
What's something that's been surprising to you? Like, what's part of FIRST that was a surprise to you that you enjoyed it so much? Because, it's kind of like a little business unit, right? Like, you have marketing and different roles, right? There's like somebody that kind of manages your schedules. And
So our team personally splits it into a couple different teams. We have people focused on business, which Armando's on. We have people
Okay.
focused on designing and building the bot, like physically.
Okay.
And we have people focused on programming the bot, which I lead. It's split into different teams, but you have to interconnect through the teams. But
Yeah.
every team does it differently. Some teams don't do that at all.
Okay. Have you found any skills that you didn't know that you had through robotics?
I somewhat know how to take pictures now, more professional. It's like I would normally be like, is this okay? And then
What year are you in?
I'm a 9th grader.
Okay.
So technically I wasn't on the team last year, but I helped out with business.
Okay.
I'm going into my junior year.
Junior year.
So I've done 2 competitions.
Have you thought at all about what you might do after school?
I mean, I've thought about it a lot. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Probably something with like marketing.
Yeah. What do you think of the marketing metal creator space?
Good.
Pretty cool.
I was talking to like some more people about it.
Cool. Awesome. Do you have any questions for me?
How long have you been working with marketing metal?
So I founded Marking Metal 4 years ago. I kind of about 2 years ago really refocused back into manufacturing. That was always kind of my vision in the beginning, was to really help, these small fabrication and machine shops. They have no idea what they're doing when it comes to marketing. They all have boring websites and they're just not doing any interesting content or anything. So I saw a need, and my background has been in those roles, like helping those companies before. So I saw an opportunity and I started building, and here I am. It's been fun.
What's your guys' relationship with the manufacturing expo?
With this show.
Yeah.
So, back when the Advanced Manufacturing Expo started, I was working for a company that's exhibiting here, Broadview Product Development. They do contract engineering work, so like some of the bigger companies in the area, like Herman Miller or Steelcase, will hire them to do specific engineering projects. And they also have a prototype shop where there's a CNC machines and 3D printing. I was their marketing director, and I was looking for trade shows, and I came across the website for the Advanced Manufacturing Expo, and it was really bad. So I reached out to the people that were running it, and I was like, hey, do you need any marketing help? I'll do some marketing for you and help you with your website. They gave us a free booth for doing that. So I joined the marketing committee. I was on for a couple of years, and then 2 summers ago, I met Scott at Creston over here, and we kind of kept in touch on LinkedIn, and I told him that I was like refocusing on manufacturing, and I have this cool new process, and I'm trying to talk about it more. So he invited me to come speak here. So I was the speaker last year. That was my first professional speaking experience, and it was terrifying, but it was good. So yeah, that's the long story. What do you think of the show?
It's been fun.
Yeah? Meet a lot of good people?
I haven't done a lot of looking around yet, but
Yeah,
it's bigger than last year, so
it is, yeah. We had a whole FIRST competition a couple years ago. It didn't work out great because it was in the summer. I think the timing just didn't work out, but it was really cool. What do you want people to know about FIRST?
It's a good way to get into some fields of like STEM and stuff. Like you can start to learn at a young age, like how you can do this. So when you get old, you know more. So it's like a good way to learn more, get better jobs.
Get experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. What about you, Maddox?
I think if you don't know anything about FIRST, you should first start by watching some of the videos they have, because they kind of explain it themselves. FIRST is a company, but it's also kind of like a concept, because they try to push a lot of like gracious professionalism and learning STEM, and it's a company, but it's more than that.
Yeah, for sure. Did you guys see the Disney special?
Oh, I've heard of it. I haven't watched it.
It was really good. I really liked it. I learned a ton about FIRST, and I watched it right before I was a judge, because I just wanted to know more about it. Well, thank you guys so much for taking the time. I know it's uncomfortable, but it's a good experience. Do you guys have a website or something that you want to direct people to?
Yeah, thatoneteam.org. Plus, if you Google that one team, we're the first thing that shows up. So
That's pretty sweet. Nice work. Good job, marketing.